Hi, I'm Fred Zimmerman, publisher of Nimble Books, and this is a book unboxing for a new type of book I'm publishing, pilsa book, which is a type of Korean transcriptive meditation. This book is coming out under the imprint of Xynapse Traces, and it is a journaling book that's composed of high-quality, thought-provoking quotations that you then journal in the facing page of the book. It's a very popular practice in Korea, and I think it's great. It's very book-centered, very word-oriented. I want people to try it. So I'm publishing a first try at this, and here is the unboxing of my first pilsa book. Now, in the background here, we have my little desk work area. I've got some stamps that I'm sorting through. Bookcase I've got, Yoda, a couple other things. Now, here's the book. You can see, published by Lightning Source. It's got Korean characters on the cover. Back, simple text, probably make this more elaborate in the future. Now, here's what the pages look like. On the facing page, you have a quotation from the International Energy Association. The theme of the book, global renewables, scale versus scarcity. You can journal in this area here. Now, I'm not sure how well this is going to show up, but there are dot grid. There's a dot grid on the page here to help you do your journaling. I mean, that's an experiment to see if I can need to make this a little more transparent, but hopefully it'll work. Anyway, basically, here's the idea. You go through the book, you write the quotations, you ponder these thought-provoking quotations, and you journal about them. At the end of the book, we have a few little innovations. We have mnemonics. These are things that you can that bring together the ideas of the book. Mineral-intensive new economy. And this is spelled out by different themes in the quotations. At the front of the book, we have the sheer physical scale of the global energy system is its most defining feature. It involves the world's largest and most critical industry, a task that will take decades and trillions of dollars to rebuild. Talk a lot of smell.